Hi everyone, welcome. This is how to make purple, blue, and red. And we're going to do a few examples like up here with the greens. Okay? Let's go ahead and use this red. It's a warmer red. You can see here it's looks like it has some orange in it. Okay, and we'll put some right there. And then we're going to get some and put it here on our paper plate. Now let's go ahead and grab some blue. This is ultramarine blue. Okay. And let's mix a little bit of it with the red. That is not a purple. Here we go. This is more of a warm red. That's the color you're going to get. Which is a purple, but it looks very, very muted. Don't you think? Okay, let's go ahead and get a different red. Let's try this red, which almost looks fuchsia. See that? Okay. So I think it's a beautiful color. And let's grab some of this same ultramarine blue. Oh, yeah, and I forgot to put that little swatch up there. I'll do it in a second here. Look at that. Dramatic difference. You see here, this is an orange red, but it is a very warm red. This is a very cool red. And you can see the difference. To me, this almost looks like a deep gray, but it would still fall in more of a purple. Extremely muted. And look at this. This looks like a lovely purple. Okay, let's use this red right here. Okay, I'm running out of room. I should have gotten 2 paper plates. All right. More ultramarine blue. And let's mix it together. Now look at that purple. See, there's a tremendous difference between them. And it was different colors of red that I used. I've used the same blue. Warm, cool. This would be, I would say neutral. But you can see this is what most people would say is purple. But this over here just about looks black or a deep gray. Let's do a couple more. We're going to use the cobalt blue and just see what we get. Okay. And let's come over here first and get some red. Which kind do we want? We'll try this red. Which is the one that we used here last. Okay. Now let's go ahead and get some cobalt blue and see how that does. Again, we have a purple color. So this is just really to show you that playing with these different colors will create a vastly different purple. Okay, now that's the vermilion. We're going to grab some more of the cobalt blue and mix it and take a look. This is somewhat similar. I didn't make it as dark as this, but you can see these don't look purple to me. They look more gray, right? And it has something to do with the color red, more so than the color blue. Okay, let's go ahead and do one more. We're going to get this gorgeous, I love this color, this fuchsia color. The cobalt blue. And let's see what we get. Okay, so you can see by using the different types of blues and reds, you will get different types of purples. Only to me, these two, even though they are supposed to make purple, they look gray. It's got to be the yellow that is in this red, creating this color. These are just examples of how to create purple. Red and blue make purple. But you can see here with these two, be careful of the choices of reds that you use. It all depends on the color purple you want. I really hope this helps. Play around with your colors, your different reds, your different blues, to see what color purples you get. That is the best way to learn about mixing colors. It truly is. Experiment, have fun, and find the color that's just right for you. And if you would like to know more about how to mix other colors, greens for example, or oranges, please click on the links that are up here. Thanks so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Have a great day. Bye.